Hi friends, I'm Mary. Today we are trying something a little different from crochet, a DIY fabric flower. It's super easy, so let's begin. First, cut the fabric into an equal size square shape. My square size is approximately 3 inches. Now fold each petal into a triangle shape and at the end, stitch the bottom edges to secure. It's a very easy and beautiful flower that anyone can make, and for this no experience is needed. And this flower can be used in so many projects, even in crochet projects too. So alright girls, at this point we will stitch the bottom edge to secure it like this. Just watch carefully. It's very simple, nothing fancy in it. See, it's all done. Keep adding petals to your thread, gently pulling them together to form a flower shape. Just watch carefully. I repeat again that keep adding petals to your thread, gently pulling them together to form a flower shape. And like that, it's done. Alright girls, hope so you have just got the trick that it's so simple. Simply keep on adding your petals. Okay, apart from this, I just hope so that you have subscribed your crochet buddy Mary, and if you didn't yet, then remember to subscribe it. And yes my girls, I am also on Facebook and Instagram, so do follow me there. I also share all my tips and tricks and tutorials and a lot of fun reels there also. So it's just love to see you on Facebook and Insta. Remember to follow me there. Okay, once all the petals are stitched, pull the thread tight and tie a knot. You will start to see your flower blooming. Wow, this is really amazing. For the center, you can add a pearl, button, or even a small crochet flower. Just glue it right in the middle. It's all up to your creativity, your choice. So here I choose the crochet flower. Yes, this is also looks good, but I prefer a crochet flower. So it's all depend upon your choice and your creativity. Okay, just glue it right in the middle. And that's it. Your handmade fabric flower is ready to decorate gifts, hairbands, or anything you like. Hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe your buddy Mary. Bye bye.